Hi everyone. In this example, I'm going to show you how to sort your filters newest to oldest. To build this view, I'm going to need region, subcategory, and sales. I'll put region on color for effect. And I'm going to bring in order date as a filter. And choose individual dates, use all, and show my filter. You can see that it's sorted oldest to newest. If I want this to be sorted newest to oldest, I'm going to need to go into the order date, default properties, order date, default properties, sort, and I'm going to choose descending. And now it's sorted newest to oldest. But what if I wanted to bring in month of order date? Now it's sorted oldest to newest again. What I need to do is create a calculated field. I'm going to call it month year. It will be date, date chunk, month of order date. Close that out. I'm going to look at the month year column, and I'm going to bring that in to filters as individual dates. Use all, show my filter, and it's in the correct format, just not sorted newest to oldest. I'm going to go in here again, choose default properties, date format, and I'm going to choose month and year. And I'm going to go in again, default properties, sort, descending. Now I have month and year sorted newest to oldest as a filter.